steam generators, and other steam accessories. So, we will be having discussion on boilers with regards din sa mga pwede ng calculate technique and other concepts na pwede ba natin ma-discuss. So, let me first read the problem. So, sabi dito, a boiler produces steam containing 1,198.7 BTU per pound. The feed water temperature is 190 degree Fahrenheit. So, what is the factor of evaporation? So, when we are solving factor of evaporation, ang equation na kailangan natin tandaan is something related dun sa change in enthalpy over the latent heat of vaporization. So, yung change of enthalpy is the enthalpy of steam minus enthalpy of feed water divided by the latent heat of vaporization. So, ang consideration commonly is 180 M. So, ano ngayon yung ating enthalpy ng steam set? So, binanggit naman sa problem, yung steam containing 1,198.7 BTU per pound. So, meaning that will be the enthalpy of our steam. Then, yung enthalpy ng feed water, so sir, wala pa tayo nito, but meron tayong feed water temperature. We can solve this by using yung ating approximate formula. So, pag feed water yung pinag-uusapan, yung enthalpy nun, kung walang steam table na given, we can approximate yung value ng enthalpy niya. Basta feed water. That is basically yung specific heat ng water times the change of temperature given minus yung reference temperature. And that's basically BTU per pound pag English. So, pag meron tayong reference temperature na Fahrenheit, so yung gagamitin natin dito, Fahrenheit, kasi Fahrenheit yung given. Ang reference temperature pag English or Fahrenheit, that is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So, we know the specific heat of water, that is 1. Yung temperature is given as 190. Yung reference temperature is 32. So, ita-direct sum lang natin. So, maka-cancel out yung degree Fahrenheit, BTU per pound yung lalabas. Sige, so let us compute yung value ng enthalpy ng feed water by simply multiplying yung 1 times the difference ng 190 minus yung 32 natin. So, simply press equals, makakuha natin yung value ng feed water enthalpy as 108. So, pag na-compute natin yung enthalpy ng feed water, like tayo dito, meron na tayo nitong dalawa, ang wala na lang natin yung latent heat of vaporization. So, constant naman yun, hopefully tanda natin kasi kadalasan na yan binibigay, that is basically equivalent sa 970.3 BTU per pound. So, given with, we are given with these three values, na-compute natin yung isa, then we can now solve yung value ng evaporation. So, direct sum lang. Then, we will compute the value of its factor of evaporation. So, lagay mo lang, this is 198.7 minus this is 108 divided by yung latent heat of vaporization, 970.3. So, simply press equals. So, para makuha yung decimal, press FD. And so, makuha natin yung value na 1.070 na factor of evaporation. So, that is yung lever B natin. And so anyway, let us continue another problem regarding dun sa ating boiler na topic or steam generator na topic. So let me first read the problem. A boiler with an efficiency of 70% delivers 50,000 pound per hour of saturated steam at 190 BTU per pound. The feed water temperature is 172 degrees Fahrenheit. So how many pounds of 12,000 BTU per pound coal must be burned per hour? So ang hinahanap, mass ng coal, diba? How many pounds of coal? So pag nagsasolve tayo ng ganitong problem, lalo na sa boilers, one of the first thing we need to look at is kung mayroong given efficiency. So bakit kailangan efficiency yung kukunin natin na equation? So because pwede nating ma-relate yung fuel, which is in this case yung coal, saka yung ating steam kapag meron kang efficiency. And since from the given problem, given tayo ng efficiency is 70%, then we will simply use that as our equating or equation na gagamitin natin to solve the problem. So let us recall the boiler efficiency. So ang boiler efficiency is output over input. Yung output natin yung steam, kaya mass ng steam, times the enthalpy of steam minus enthalpy ng feed water divided by the mass flow rate ng fuel times yung heating value. So when we look at the given data na meron dun sa problem, so unahin natin yung enthalpy ng steam. So sir, yung enthalpy ng steam that is basically given sa problem, that is 1190 BTU per pound. So meron kang enthalpy ng steam. Then we will now compute yung enthalpy ng feed water. So yung enthalpy ng feed water, pwede nyo kunin sa steam table if that is available. So saan paano pag hindi available yung steam table? Diba? Paano natin kukumputin yung enthalpy ng feed water given lang tayo ng temperature? So the way to do that, pag wala kang steam table, and we really need to compute the feed water enthalpy, is yung ating approximate formula. So ang approximate formula pag English is yung specific heat ng water times temperature minus yung reference temperature and BTU per pound ng lalabas na value. So English yun. Kung SI yan, siyempre, specific heat ng SI, naka-reference temperature na 0 pag SI. Pero pag English, ang reference temp, sabi mo kanina, 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So substitute lang natin, C ng water is 1, yung temperature na dalawa, ito given, 172, ito naman, 32. Okay, so let us simply compute yung value ng enthalpy natin for our enthalpy. So meron tayo ditong 1, multiply lang natin ng 172 minus yung value natin na 32. So simply press equals, makukuha natin yung value ng enthalpy ng feed water. That will be equivalent to 140 BTU per pound. So meron na tayong enthalpy ng feed water. So pag babalik tayo sa equation ng efficiency ng boiler, meron tayong enthalpy ng steam pati feed water. Yung mass flow rate ng steam is given, that is being 50,000 pound per hour. Ito yung hinahanap. Yung heating value ng fuel, that is also given, that is 5,000 BTU per pound. And the efficiency of the boiler steam. So therefore, lahat sila given, mass ng fuel ng yung hinahanap natin. So lagay mo lang yung values, 70% equals mass flow rate ng steam, 2,000, times yung change of enthalpy, steam, 1190 minus 140, yung sa feed water, divided by yung mass ng fuel, yung hinahanap, times yung 12,000 natin. Okay, so balikan lang natin yung ating calculator. Then we will simply compute the value of the efficiency of the boiler. So lagay mo lang 70% equals yung steam mass, that is 50,000. So hindi na natin kailangan pang i-convert yung unit natin na per hour since per hour din naman yung kailangan sa process. So change of enthalpy divided by yung ating mass ng fuel times yung heating value na 12,000. So we simply press shift solve para makuha yung value ng mass ng fuel. So antayin lang natin. So pag nag-shift solve kayo, para kung sakali mabilis din yung pag-compute, you can simply pick from the choices para mas mabilis siya mag-compute. Okay, anyway, na-compute naman ng calculator yung ating kailangan. And basically that is 6250 or yung letter A natin.